If you're running a small business, you already know that you're probably wearing every hat. Operations before coffee, sales by noon, marketing at midnight, and you don't need more noise. You need a simple system that builds trust and growth without burnout. Welcome to Entrepreneur Addict, the platform for growth without burnout.
Inside the EA app, you're going to get bite-sized lessons, weekly rhythms, and expert support that turn good intentions into real momentum. So let's talk about how it helps. First, we focus on clarity, knowing exactly what to do next. Second, consistency, simple weekly habits that help keep you visible. Third, credibility, marketing that earns trust before the first call. And fourth, confidence and time back, guidance and execution so you stop guessing.
Now, there are three options in this one system. Level one is the do-it-yourself option. The EA Marketing Framework is an online course. You can subscribe now, learn the playbook, build your roadmap, get live office hours and feedback from Lance and myself and our other team of experts and coaches every month. Level two is the do it with me option. Now, this is where I'm going to guide you through some specific sprints. You can decide where we start, which modules we build off of. It is a perfect segue or springboard from the course to getting that expert coaching to implement your plan fast. Level three is the do it for me option. This is where you have your own media production department on demand, professional YouTube and podcast production services done for you.
What to expect? Well, we focus on having short lessons, weekly check-ins, practical templates, and plain English directions that fit your week, not the other way around.
So what do you do next? Well, it's simple. The next steps, as they say, are to learn more about our courses, our coaching services, and production services below. And you can click around the EA app to explore options at your own pace. So just, click away, have fun. There's no limit on how many clicks you can click.